Can you say this simple word correctly? It's pronounced.
Erectile.
Let's break it down.
This word is often tricky for many. The correct way is erectile. Start with e, then rec, and finish with tile, like a floor tile. Together, erectile. Now let's practice it 3 times together. Ready? Erectile. 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 If you got it right all 3 times, you just pronounced it smoother than most people ever do.
Got it? Let's practice it together. Repeat after me.
Erectile. 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 Erectile.
Now it's your turn. Drop a comment if you nailed it or if you need more tips. Subscribe for more pronunciation guides. And here's a fun challenge. Record yourself, post it, and tag us.